Hey everyone, it's Card Addict 23, and today I'm gonna be unboxing the One Piece OP10. Um, I just bought a whole bunch of different One Pieces, and this was one of them. And apparently, I don't know, on YouTube I watched a video recently, and because I've been trying to do my best to learn more about all the different cards I have and bought, and there was a video about the OP10 set wasn't very popular, and maybe the chase cards weren't very good, which is kind of sad to hear because I did buy the whole booster box. Maybe I should have gone with a different one, but it is what it is. You live and you learn. I'm sure it should be fun still opening it, and I mean, you never know. I mean, maybe there could be something good in here. So I'm gonna get it started. Opening up a pack today. We'll start it from the front and go from there. Hope everyone is doing well. Let's get it started. Oh, these are all kind of interesting. They all look like mangas or something. At least the first three. That's kind of interesting. Oh, I pulled this card before. It's a rare. I have this card already, which is okay. Alright, well, if you liked any of the cards you saw, you liked the video, please leave a like. It helps me out a lot. Feel free to comment and subscribe and check out all my other videos and the videos to come. See you guys on the next one.